Yeah. Stars and Stripes, US national flag, consisting of 13 horizontal stripes which are alternately red and white. Yeah, 13, and then we have this dotage present state now is consisting of 50 states. Now I will tell you the 13 original states. We have this Delaware, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and then Maryland, Connecticut, Maryland, Connecticut, Massachusetts, and then we have the North Carolina, and then what else do we call it? Georgia, Virginia, we have the South Carolina, and then Georgia, New Hampshire, and then Rhode Island. Yeah. This is, I don't know which one, but this one is, I'm sure this is the first state and this is the last. I don't know, they are already mixed here. There are 13 states. Hey, one more time. I forgot the other one. Anyway, one I can't remember anymore. And New York, we have New York, and New York also. and 13. I went New York. We don't have New York. When New York is the last one. But this is the last Rhode Island. It was somewhere else here between New Maryland, Connecticut, like this. So that is the 13 states, original 13 states. Now there is the US President. Who died in office. We have this William Harrison. Over the spelling. Same here. William Harrison. This is 9th President. William Harrison. Zachary Taylor. This is 12th President. Abraham Lincoln. Lincoln. This is the 16th President. James Garfield. This is the 25th President. James Garfield. William McKinley. This is the 25th President. Warren Harding. This is the 29th President. Warren Harding. And then Franklin Roosevelt. This is the 32nd President. And the last is John Fitzgerald Kennedy. This 35th President. See, I still can remember. That is the power of memory. For as long as you are still at the age of young or kids, you start memorizing. Nag-start ako sa beginning the memorizing in my elementary about the multiplication table from 1 to 12. And as I grew up, I have carried this mold by my parents This is the genes I have carried up to now. I'm, I'm still using the power of memory. I hope I might encourage the children to start memorizing the multiplication table, not just by the computer, based on it. Use your mind to develop your memory skills, and you can start analyzing. It helps you, especially the young ones, avoid getting dotage. You mean I will write, because when I say that only dotage, you might not misunderstood what I mean. So when you say, you can research that in your dictionary. Okay, let's go to another one. Let's go to math. Yung LCD. Least common denominator. When we say denominator, it means that the fractions, we have to find the denominator. For example, 3/4. This is the denominator. The 4 is the denominator, and this is the numerator. Since we are finding the common denominator, let's try to an example of this one. The standard procedure. Give you the denominator of this one is 4, because this you can reduce to 1/4 also. So the main denominator is 4. Once all the level is the same, denominator is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, 3 plus times 2, 1 minus 2 times 2, 4. Combined like terms, 5 over 4 minus 3 over 4. So the final answer is 2, 4 or 1/2. Yan. Okay, let's go to factors and also. This is, I already explained this in my previous videos. It's only to repress your memory. So you can, as you go on, by repeating, you will be able to instill in your memory, in your mind, in your brain, instill in your brain to memorize it by repeating, by practicing, keep on practicing, practice and practice. Let's go to GCF, greatest common factor. Take note, when we say factors, this means you have to factor the, not in the denominator anymore, it is in the numerator. For example, factors of 412, factors of 16, 2. We have two factors of both the numerator, and the denominator. For example, to reduce the lowest term. This is the purpose. Greatest common factor for reducing lowest term. Keep in mind, it's still in your brain. When we say greatest common factor, we are referring to reducing lowest term. The fractions for 4 and 12, we have the factors is